the plantation source. These plants have already borne fruit, and the banana stem is usually discarded waste.
The banana stem logs pass through high-pressure water jets. Mud and field dirt are washed away, and the green skin glitters.
Speed up the feed on the next stem.
This fiber looks good, move it to the bin.
The curved layers of the banana stem are fed into a splitting machine. It flattens them to long ribbons.
The flattened ribbons are fed into a machine called a decorticator. Rotate the blades straight stream.
This natural step reduces the energy footprint of the factory while drying the banana stem product.
The wet fiber is passed through heavy rollers to squeeze out the water. It comes out as a damp mat.
Alternatively, the fiber enters a large industrial dryer tunnel. Hot air circulates.
Workers inspect the dried fiber. They remove any hard knots or discoloration. Only the softest strands are selected.
The chopped fiber is loaded into a large pressure cooker, the digester. It will be cooked to break down lignin.
To make the product hygienic and white, the fiber pulp undergoes oxygen-based bleaching.
The white pulp is washed thoroughly to remove any chemical residue. The water runs clear. The rolls of hard pulp are fed into a fluffing machine, a hammer mill. It disintegrates the sheets into a
A thin layer of tissue paper wraps around the core to hold it together. This maintains the shape of the pad. The machine moves at high speed.
A roll of soft, perforated, non-woven fabric is fed on top, covering the core. This layer touches the...
heated rollers press a pattern or channels into the pad. This seals the layers together and guides liquid into
A rotary die cutter stamps out the final shape of the sanitary pad, including the wings. The excess material is
Precision nozzles spray stripes of adhesive. This allows it to stick to underwear. The factory uses safe, non-toxic glue on the
Strips of slip coating disabled.
The folded pad is wrapped in a biodegradable plastic or paper pouch. It is heat sealed.
The wrapped pads pass through a UV light tunnel. This final sterilization kills any remaining bacteria.
The pads pass through a metal detector. This ensures no machinery fragments ended up in the banana stem fiber. The factory safety protocol is strict. Forklifts move the pallets into a clean, dry warehouse. Rows of boxes reach the ceiling.
Because it uses banana stem fiber, it breaks down faster than plastic pads. The factory promotes eco-friendly solutions.
Any scraps from the banana stem cutting or fiber processing are collected. They are composted or
She loves the benefits of banana stem fiber. The factory mission succeeds.
see, these new fiber pads are much cheaper and work very well.
That's a relief. I will take 2 packs, organizer.
As you can see, this is made from natural banana stem fiber. The factory is committed to supporting health in our community.
That's the payment for the stems we collected. The factory appreciates this cooperation.
This extra income is very helpful.
Thank you.
The softness is exactly what we aimed for. This innovation keeps us ahead.
Yeah, it feels incredible.
We are proud to use banana stem fiber to create sustainable products for women.
The story of the banana stem fiber pad is complete.